This is Jeremiah Benj with Benj Glassworks, and this is how to carve a leaf in Borosilicate. With your desired color, make a large gather on the end of a punty. Mash that gather with flat mashers or your graphite marver pad. After you've mashed the gather, heat and pull to a taper with a 3mm punty. This will make your initial leaf shaping. After you've heated and pulled to a taper, you want to heat the middle section of the leaf and carve a line directly down the middle. Be very gentle and don't push the glass. Afterwards, you want to carve from right to left at a 45-degree angle towards the line to make your notches on the leaf. Repeat on the other side, and you will now have carved a leaf in borosilicate.